Look familiar? This picture marks the start of Solis' story, a humble beginning. It was from here that our first products were developed, with aspirations to make a lasting, positive impact on the world and inspiring a new era of clean energy. Here we have our first office building. It was during this time that our solutions began supporting the Shanghai World Expo Center. Now you'll find our products bringing power to the iconic Eiffel Tower. In 2016, the 4th generation inverter products made a comprehensive entry into the global market, and the company experienced rapid growth. Listen closely. Do you hear those bells? March 19th, 2019, a historic day on which our company went public, propelling us into a global market. Now who might this be? It's Solis' Sunny, our very own zero carbon ambassador with boundless enthusiasm. Sunny has helped us unveil new products to the world and champion our commitment to creating a more sustainable future. There are so many special memories to share. Now, let's wind the clock back to 2005. Guided by a passion for technology, Mr. Yiming Wang, aka Jimmy, founded Solis just before the solar industry began to truly take shape. Fast forward 18 years, our workforce has grown to over 4,500 employees located all over the world. From becoming the first Asian string inverter company to entering the UK to securing the majority of market share, our philosophy has always been centered around developing cutting-edge products. Today, we proudly stand on the podium as the world's 3rd largest PV inverter manufacturer. Today marks the 18th anniversary of Solis. As we celebrate this special milestone, we invite you to join us on our ongoing journey. Together, fueled by innovation and passion, let's create a path to a cleaner and more sustainable future for everyone.